Hi, welcome to this first section on how to test your app within the Osgiliath framework. So let's get started. All your Osgiliath module could be tested in two ways: unit tested and integration tested. Unit testing consists in testing a simple functionality of your application, for example, a controller or an HTML page. And integration testing, in the opposite, would test all your application at a certain level. So let's start with unit testing. Unit test is located in the SRC test JavaScript folder, or Java for the other modules. And it uses Karma to test your app. So let's test the controller. We have filled the tutorial before. Adding a new to-do to the to-dos list, then checking that to-dos contain the to-do. So I verify that my to-do is empty at the beginning. The variable. Effect is variable. Call the method. And verify the results. So you can quick test it with grunt in bash. Okay. Or you can test it with Maven, running Maven test. It's a little bit longer, so when you are coding your test it with grunt until that works. Then Maven will execute the test automatically at each module packaging. Concerning the integration test, it's made of two classes. The first refers to the feature you will test. Remember, I speak about the feature in the first tutorial that are deployment descriptor for your application. For example, I will test the feature todos.ui.full.itests. So I just have to uncomment the one that is already filled and comment some modules I've not already implemented. So I will need the Osgiliath framework war feature plus my freshly generated to-do war application. And now I'm ready to fill the test with the Selenium framework. So let's add some ID to my HTML components. the input, blue button, and to do table. Output. Okay. So let's fill the input. Let's click on the to-do button. Let's wait for the answer. So I don't know why it's red. Expected conditions. So why is it red? Okay. So let's fill it. Let's wait for the answer on the result table. Element. path. So yeah. Okay. And let's see if there is any result. So then, once you have implemented your integration test, you just have to launch it running maven install. You can also do it within the shell console. And let's wait a little bit. So Maven will download all the dependencies, then start Firefox navigator, then make the actions on the browser, and verify the results. So it's a little bit long. I think I will cut the video before, but you will see the test result failing or not. So that way you can test all your application, your web services, your database from your UI model, or you can also test only your web services and your database, or even only your database. It will install all the features on your Karaf. So, and that's all for this tutorial. So let's see you for the next tutorial that will speak about web services and UI interaction. So see you.